Hey everyone, it's Krishna Simply, and I am going to present a PPT regarding Python language about the topic the complexity of nested for loops. So, the PPT link I have shared in description box. You can view it from there and see the content. So first, understanding the structure and function of nested for loops in coding. Here we see about the introduction to nested loops and their purpose. There are many helpful things like understanding nested loop structure, significance in algorithm efficiency, common scenarios for nested loop, and fourth, people who benefit for nested loops. There are many common uses for nested loop in programming, like implementing matrix operations efficiently. So here nested loops are critical when performing operations on matrices, allowing for rows and column manipulations. Also there are many things like best practices for implementing nested for loops, like first, maintaining clear and readable code. It is a vital to keep nested loops simple to enhance code readability and maintainability for development lens. Second, avoiding performance pitfalls. And third, debugging strategies for nested loops. Also, in slide 6th, we see the graph of nested loop usage in programming. So here are five main things like matrix multiplication, generating combination, multi-dimensional arrays, grid traversals, and nested data processing. So here we see a vice versa growth, like first it goes from 70, then to 85, to 60, 75, and then a vital growth is in 90. Also, in slide 7, there is practical application of nested for loops in real world scenarios. So there are four main things like understanding matrix manipulation, application in scientific computing, role of developer in loop optimization, and complexity of nested loop explained. You can read it properly, and here we go for slide 9th, optimizing nested loops for performance improvement. The main thing are strategies for loop optimization, identifying opportunities to reduce the number of iteration can significantly improve performance. Second, impact on software engineering. And also third, collaboration in optimizing efforts. In second point, the main thing are like software engineers are tasked with refining nested loops to enhance application performance. And third, the teams often collaborate to implement best practices in optimizing nested loop across projects. So here we go, and thank you.